We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis after we get this correction and since the price was within this move, we mentioned we can look for buy. We have been looking for 195 following by 217 as a short-term target. We mentioned with the breakout of the previous top, we can look for 270. All right, almost the price tag 260, but it couldn't tag 270. Now we want to see what's the next, and we don't need these lines anymore. And even this one. All right, the first things we need to care is if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. All right, that's mean the possibility of to get the correction at least similar to what we have here at the current price or higher price is there. All right, that's why we need to know that if we want to look for buy, we can expect to get the deeper correction similar to what we have here. By the way, we're looking for continuation, and the next target we're looking to see the breakout of 270. With the breakout of the 270, we can look for 338. This is what we're looking for. All right, but at this point, if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. And if we move to forward chart, we see the prices start to correct. All right, if I remove these things, we see the prices after we did the breakout of the previous top, we have a correction. But at this point, even 217 act as a support because the previous top, if we refer to this correction, the highest price of this correction. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade set up for buy, and even we can expect the price continue and drop some more before we get the next trade. That's why I mentioned if we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup. There is a possibility this correction, as I explained based on daily chart, can be relative to, if I move to daily chart, it can be relative to what we have here. Okay, that's why any trade for buy within this one, we need to be really careful. By the way, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, even based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup. The possibility to this one to put in relative to this as a reversal sharp move flag is very less. Okay, by the way, if anyone wants to have entry above the top, they can also consider as a trade setup, but we should know that we once the price sharply breaking continue. It's not really a good idea to do that. It depends on the strategy that traders they use. But for me, what I prefer to wait for the next sharp move flag before I take the trade. And if the price is going to drop, I just let it go. All right. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 217 or not. By the way, as I mentioned, if you get any opportunity for buy, the next level I'm looking to see the breakout is 270, following by 338. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.